How to recover old WhatsApp deleted messages in iPhone. So for presentation, I will go to WhatsApp and delete one conversation that contains messages and photos so that we can get them back later. Go to settings, click on chat, proceed to chat backup, and make sure that backup was performed before the message was deleted. So to be safe with your messages, make sure to set the auto backup to weekly or monthly. Now let's uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it from the App Store. After installing, verify your contact number and it's now retrieving credentials. After retrieving, it has detected the backup that we created today. Let's go ahead and restore it. It's a small backup, so the process will be fast. Now we enter our profile name. The chats we deleted are back and of course, along with the messages in media file. So that is how you recover WhatsApp deleted messages in iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.